Let me show you how to do this easy everyday makeup look on a budget, and it only takes minutes to do. I'm going to go in with my Lumi Glow face mist, and then I'm going to lock that moisture in with the Jelly Moisturizer. Then I'm going to go in with my Tensational Primer. This will blur your imperfections and it will just give you a beautiful glow. I'm not using foundation today, I'm only going to use concealer to cover my blemishes. I created a face map for you that you can also see on my blog, and this will give you an indication of where to put your highlighter and where to put your bronzer. Also very important, dab the product into your face, do not wipe it. Don't forget to put concealer on your eyelids, and this will basically serve as a base of the products that we're going to use later in the video. Then I'm going in with my Soft Glam Filter Fluid. I decided to use this instead of a darker concealer to put some color back into my face and definition. This is a glow booster, as it says on the bottle. Basically, it will just give your makeup that extra glowy look. Then I'm going in with my liquid blush. I chose the color red for a reason. You can read about it on my blog. But shake this product very well and put it on the back of your hand, and then dab it onto your cheekbones with your fingers. This product is very pigmented, so don't use a lot of it. Then I'm going in with my matte bronzing powder, and I'm going to use a big fluffy brush, and everywhere that I put my bronzer liquid, I'm going to put the bronzing powder as well. This will set it into place and give my face extra definition and color. Then I'm going to go in with my mattifying powder. I'm going to use a triangle sponge to dab the product into my skin. As you can see, I'm dabbing and I'm not wiping. I'm putting this product everywhere that I highlighted my face, just to take away a little bit of the shine and to help my makeup set and to actually last longer. As you can see, I'm avoiding my cheekbones, I'm avoiding the areas where I actually still want to have that glow. So I'm putting it under my eyes, on my jawline, and then a little bit on my forehead as well. Then I'm going in with my soap stick. On the one side is the soap or the product, and then on the other side is a little brush. So this basically just helps to put your eyebrows in their place and to set them. But this product is optional, although I think it works really well. For this tutorial, I decided to use the eyebrow gel as well, just to show you that this can also set your eyebrows into place, and it works perfectly. If you buy either one of these products, it will work very well to set your eyebrows. Then I'm using the Catrice Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. I'm going to use the mattifying powder as an eyeshadow with a flat brush under my eyebrows in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to stop right above my crease. I'm going to use the matte bronzing powder with a bigger fluffy brush just in the crease of my eye as my eyeshadow. So as you can see, I'm just blending it very nicely. I'm not using too much product, but this will just create beautiful definition. Then I'm using the flat brush again under my eyes just to bring some definition in, and that just finishes the look beautifully. And then my favorite part, highlighter. So I used the shade 40, and this finishes your look beautifully. This is the magic to your makeup look. I'm putting the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using it a little bit on top of my eye, on my nose tip, on my cupid's bow, and remember under the eyebrows as well. And then I'm putting it on my cheekbones, and that just gives a beautiful glow. And then I'm using the waterproof gel liner a little bit in the corners of my eyes and underneath, and then I'm using a flat brush to blend it. Then I decided to use a brown lip liner. If you overline a little bit, it still looks natural and beautiful. You can use any clear gloss for this look. And then to finish the look, I used my Essence Lash Princess Mascara, the green one. That's my favorite one. And this is the finished look. You can also read more in-depth detail about this look on my blog.